Hello everyone, this is Muqtadia from JM Mindset. Welcome to the first ever Shopify Dropshipping course 2018. So without any delay, let's get started. Welcome to e-commerce dropshipping course. My name is Muqtadia Chadri. Thank you for joining me, guys. You come to the best online business model, which is the e-commerce business model. The reason I believe this is the best business model, online business model, especially Shopify dropshipping method, is because with this business model, guys, you could have the laptop lifestyle. Not only that, you could you could have your 9 to 5 job and do this part time, full time, or in the weekend and the evenings as well. You've got the flexibility to work on your own time and build your brand and your business. Another reason, guys, why I believe this is one of the best business model is because you could make money whilst you sleep. Guys, seriously, I'm not joking. Last night, my phone went crazy. I mean crazy. Like every 20 minutes or half, I can't remember, I'm half asleep, but my phones keep beeping. As you can see from this screenshot, I just taken a screenshot from last night. So from this, guys, you could see, you could make a lot of money. That's just from screenshot from my screenshot from last night. And a lot of people probably thinking why my sales are in dollars is because I do Facebook ads, guys, and I target people in the United States, and that's why my sales are in dollars. So there's two types of sales method that you could use on your Shopify website. The first sale method is free plus shipping. So for example, on AliExpress, a product might cost $1 or less and has free shipping or e-packet shipping under $2. So the product and shipping might cost you $2.5, and you could charge say $9.95 for shipping, and you make $7.45 profit. So this is the first method which you could use on your Shopify store to make sales. The second sales tactic you could use is profit markup. So for example, on AliExpress, a product might cost you $12.3, and the sale price for that product on your Shopify store, you could sell it as $39.99 and free shipping. So the product and shipping on AliExpress might cost you, as I said, $12.30, and you charge $39.99 for the products, and you make $27.67. Don't know why I keep saying pound, but it's dollars. So this is the method I recommend, guys, you use, because this is the method I use as well. So now let's look at the difference between the free plus shipping and the profit markup, guys. So the free plus shipping is more enticing, as I said, because it's free and everybody like free stuff. It could be easy to sell because it's free. It's more chance of going viral because when you do Facebook ad and someone buys the free plus shipping, they tell their friends and family that it's free, and that entices them to go and buy, and they could tell their friends and family as well. So it's easy to go viral. It could be a viral content, so it could easily go viral as well. You could generate a lot of sales as well because it's free. People just paying for the shipping, but it could be less. The profit margin would be very less because you could only charge someone for the shipping, and you can't charge someone say $100 for the shipping because no one's going to pay for the shipping. Then you can bring a lot of traffic to your store, or if you have a good Facebook pixel. Guys, I'll talk about Facebook pixel later on in one of my videos, but for now, just remember, you need Facebook pixel on your Shopify store. So let's look at the profit markup. Could be harder to sell, need a good sales pitch because you are doing a markup of say if a product costs $40 and you sell it for $80, people want to see a good sales pitch. Why should they spend $80 on a product that is quite expensive? So yeah, so you need a good sales pitch. Can go viral with the right product. We've seen that with fidget spinner. Remember when fidget spinner came out? Everybody was after fidget spinner. So with the right product, definitely could go viral. can generate a better profit because you could do better, bigger markup, just putting a markup on the shipping, but also the product itself. Better for doing store promotion, so you could do like 15% half sale or 20% half sale, and you could promote. So like you could give people discount. You got more leeway to give discount. The price the item at whatever you want. So you could, if a product is $10, you could sell it for $50, $40, wherever you want, or wherever you think will sell. So what is the end game for your business? So the end game is to create a non-brand that is great long-term online business that course makes you money. So you want to create a brand, guys. That's meant you want to think long-term. End of the day, this is not short-term business model. It's a long-term business model. So you want to in it for the long run, not for the short run. You want to create a brand like ASOS did. They're online giant. You want to be on like Amazon. So think long term. You want to create a brand, and so people trust you, and people, when they have that trust from you, they will buy from you. When you provide good customer service, people will come back over and over again. It's all about treating your customers right, providing the best customer service, and brand recognition, guys. That's the key. Everybody knows who Coca-Cola is. Everybody knows McDonald's is because they have the brand recognition. So you want to do the same with the online store. You need a brand recognition. The long-term goal also is to give you the freedom, so you could maybe quit your 9 to 5 job and do this full time and travel the world, because all you need is a laptop and internet connection. So you could travel the world once you do this. You could also hire, I'm going to be showing you later on my paid course how you could hire a virtual assistant VA from Philippines that will do all the admin work for you, and then basically you just managing your business rather than doing the donkey work basically. So yeah, could be life changing, guys. You could make 6-7 figures from this. I know people are making 6-7 figures this. You could sit in a beach and do nothing for the rest of your life. The sky is the limit, guys. So guys, that's the end of the video and the end of this free Shopify dropshipping course part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the course. If you did, give the thumbs up, comment and subscribe. And I'll speak to you guys later. Take care, bye.